kick off pukul 19.00 WIB di Stadion Gelora Bandung Lautan Api. Telah hadir di sesi pertama ini Coach Bojan, selamat datang Coach. Ini Wipers dan Coach Yaya untuk mengomentari kesiapan tim jelang laga besok.
Preparation was good. We had time to prepare. It will be tough match. Marcus is improving. They sign new players with every match. Last 5-6 matches they become better and better. So we need to be very careful. They are very compact. They have good counter attacks with 2 new strikers. So we playing at home. Whenever we play at home, we are favorites. We must take this, especially now when we are number 2, and we need to try to win. But again, I said we cannot enter the game lightly because then it's getting dangerous. But I believe we are focused fully that we can get positive results.
Persiapan bagus, kita punya waktu persiapan yang cukup baik. Saya pikir setelah lawan Dewa United, kemudian kita tahu bahwa PSM Makassar mereka mendatangkan beberapa pemain baru, mereka kontrak pemain baru yang mereka menambah kekuatan, dan kita tahu bahwa bagaimanapun PSM adalah tim yang lebih bagus, tim yang punya sejarah seperti kita. Tapi kita main di home, kita harus lebih fokus untuk tetap mengamankan posisi 2 di kelas ini.
Yes, I think what coach already said, they have improving the results last weeks. They bring some new players. They are champion last year, so for sure we have to take this game as a really serious game. Last games we played was also quite hard to play against them. So yeah, we took it really serious. We had good preparation this week. We focus on the strength, and we have to make sure we are better than them tomorrow, and we just take these 3 points in Bandung. I hope the stadium will be full, so all the supporters will come to the stadium to support us. I think it's more easy for us to play the games with the full stadium. So looking forward to that, and at the end, I think we have to do what we did last weeks. Play good football, we win the games. I think on a good way. So we have to continue with that, and at the end, I feel confident that we will win this game tomorrow if we do what we have to do. So looking forward to a game tomorrow.
Itu ya lah.
Oke, saya pikir Coach sudah menyampaikan apa yang saya pikir juga sama, bahwa PSM sekarang sudah mendatangkan beberapa pemain baru. Artinya kita juga harus lebih siap, kita harus lebih serius, kita punya waktu betul, kita punya persiapan yang bagus, dan tentunya besok lawan PSM kita harus tunjukkan kekuatan kita, keseriusan kita. Saya harap pertandingan kemarin kita dapat poin penuh berlanjut untuk pertandingan besok, dan kemudian saya juga meminta kalau bisa besok juga penonton datang memberikan support kepada kita, dan kita akan melanjutkan tren positif kita dengan kemenangan sehingga kita bisa meraih poin penuh di stadion kita sendiri.
PSM menghentikan rekor Persib keterkalahan musim lalu. Apakah ada kekhawatiran hasil musim lalu bisa terulang di pertandingan?
No, but I already mentioned before that we have to take them really serious because they are champion for a reason last season. So for sure they will have a good team, and they have new players now. But I feel confident that we are better team now at this time. And we played some good games before last week, so I'm not really afraid for this game tomorrow. But yeah, of course we have to take them serious.
Saya pikir saya sudah menyampaikan tadi bahwa kita harus lebih serius terhadap pertandingan besok, dan itu sudah saya sampaikan barusan dari awal. Dan kita kemarin mendapatkan hasil yang bagus. Kita tahu bahwa PSM sudah menambah beberapa pemainnya. Kita tahu bahwa mereka juga kemarin tahun lalu adalah juara di Liga. Jadi saya pikir kenapa kita mesti khawatir, mesti takut. Kita sudah melakukan hal yang bagus. Tim ini juga mengalami perubahan dan kita berada dalam tren atau misalnya hasil yang bagus. Jadi kita lanjutkan.
Jadi kalau saya pantau dari laga kemarin itu ya, rata-rata dari beberapa tim yang laga kemarin main itu rata-rata main saya yang sejauh ini. Apakah itu mungkin jadi catatan buat tim PSM sendiri sejauh ini?
Maksudnya musik
Kemarin
atau distrik
kebangkitan dari match lain.
so looking to the next match, there's a lot of good that I can say grow this week against the Impact. So yeah, so in plan to you for the next
Yeah, it's very good for us. I hope that we will win tomorrow because this will help us to catch up with Borneo and at the same time to move away from runs that are 50.
Ya, saya pikir ini bagus buat kita. Tapi yang paling penting adalah bagaimana kita meraih kemenangan besok supaya kita lebih dekat lagi dengan pemimpin kelasnya di atas turnamen.
Well, Liga Indonesia is very long, and there is always, you cannot be non-stop at your peak, so there is many ups and downs. So, but we had a problem at the beginning of the season, now we are consistent, so I just hope that we will continue to be consistent.
Kita tahu bahwa Liga Indonesia seperti tidak mudah ditebak dengan jadwal pada kompetisi, kemudian ada break seperti itu. Kemudian satu tim untuk mencapai peak performanya untuk tetap mempertahankan konsistensi itu sepertinya agak susah. Tetapi sekarang kita berada dalam konsistensi yang bagus, jadi kita ingin melanjutkan itu.
For me, this is past, whatever it's like what you said, it's last year PSM beat person last 3-4 matches, but this is something different. You know, last year I played 2 times versus PSM and we managed to beat it, but this is new team. PSM also changed lots of players and we also have a number of new players. At the moment we look confident, they're also improving the last few matches, but I believe you playing at home, you'll have full stadium supporters also. When you're playing at your stadium, when you have full stadium behind you, this one giving you extra energy, extra power, so I believe at home that we have advantage.
Dan saya pikir seperti yang disampaikan tadi, PSM tahun lalu misalnya bisa mengalahkan Persib, tapi sekarang situasinya berubah, atmosfernya berubah, hujannya kemudian berlanjut, dan kita sekarang berada dalam situasi yang bagus. Kemudian tim juga berubah, PSM berubah, Persib juga berubah. Besok kita main di rumah sendiri, tentunya dengan dukungan penuh dari penonton, dan kita berada dalam tren yang bagus. Tentunya ini yang harus saya pikir tetap continue dengan hasil yang seperti itu.
Cukup pengalaman? Oh,
Coach, satu lawan ya, perasaan emosional, terus kemudian pertanyaan kedua mengenai peluang bermain 2 pemain baru, terus yang ketiga soal performa Febri Haryadi di pertandingan sebelumnya. Dan apa ekspektasi terhadap Febri?
One question. And second question, there is no counts. It's not counts for this. And third question, yang ketiga mengenai about the performance Febri Haryadi.
Okay, first about PSM, all my ex-teams, I always, mostly I left with a good relation, so I have still a few PSM players, I'm still in contact with them, but when you are on the field, this is fight, this is war, so you want to win. So before game, after game, of course, I will hug them, kiss them, don't worry, but in the game, I will shout at them and I will try to kill them. This is normal in football. So it's nothing, there is no feelings when you are on the field. Second question, Febri or Ferdi?
Second question, Febri.
There is a chance both of them will play. More chances is for Kevin, but because Teja was injured 2 days this week, so only things now is 50-50 because Teja normally trained today and yesterday, Kevin trained normally, so now I have sweet problem in this position. Whoever I put, I know he's good, so no issues about that. Regarding Stefano came from Europe. In Europe now is winter, so he came from Torino from -2 here on 30 degrees, so he needs a little bit time. And for player it's always more difficult. Kevin arrived from Kuala Lumpur, so for him is no issue. So more chances that Kevin will start. But Stefano, I will try to give him 10-15 minutes at least. And Febri, I'm happy how he played last game. He worked very hard. He ran the most of all players in first half. Means that he was doing defensive work extra for Kakang, but I'm happy the way he played. Of course, he didn't play for a long time, so maybe he was not sharp enough in front of the goal, but definitely now when Fred's left, he will have much more chances to play, and he just need matches. Once he got matches, he got quality.
Bebas, bebas.
Cukup.
Oke, cukup.